The POW MIA Chair of Honor became an idea as I took on the job here as the athletics director. The history of 26 VMI alums being POW MIA, it's a no-brainer that this should be in our stadium, in our athletic facility. So when I learned that there was a way to do it, it made sense that it needed to reside here at the Virginia Military Institute. This group is very important, and leaving that seat open, it just shows how we are always honoring those prisoners of war and missing in action. So I just felt it was the right thing to do.
My name is Thomas H. Kirk, Jr. I'm a native of Portsmouth, Virginia. I graduated from VMI on 13th of June of 1950 and elected, accepted commission, and became a career Air Force officer. There were 591 of us that came home from Vietnam in the POW camp. I would love to see that any person walking by, but primarily the cadets, as you walk by and sit, look at that chair, think of sacrifice and think of the people giving service to this country, and I would hope that it would encourage them or push them a little bit to be a better cadet, a better student, a better person, and a better American. And that's just one more opportunity to reflect on life and how fortunate we are and what a price has been paid for them to be there in that stadium today.